Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel. Per many requests, today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my most favorite paper airplanes, the Starship Destroyer. This is one of my most successful designs for this type of paper airplane. And I hope that you guys will enjoy making the paper airplane along with me. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. And the first step is to fold it in half. When you fold the paper in half, make sure that all edges are lined up and then creases down. Flatten the paper and open it. Start from this edge, make a straight fold. Match the edge to the intersection of the upper part and the center crease, while the below part falls straight into the intersection of the edge and the center crease. And now let's open this layer. Fold it outward. Do it slowly until you hit into the center crease. Press down the paper. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Now you can use the other side as a reference. Match all the edges together. Open the upper layer. Fold it backward and crease this down. Next step, let's flip the paper over. Start from this part of the paper. There are two layers on the bottom. Fold it to hold the head all together. Once you finish one side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Crease this down and start from the upper edge. Fold it to the center crease. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Crease this down. Then flip the paper over. Start from the tip, fold straight to the bottom part of the paper, and make sure that you leave a small gap. This is about 1 centimeter or just half an inch. You can also use your finger to measure. This is very simple. And now you can fold this tip backward into the upper edge and crease the paper down. Start from this edge, fold to the center crease. Do it slowly. Curve it until it's hit into the center crease and creases down. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Keep in mind that it will not go straight into the center crease. If it does, adjust it a little bit so that when you open the paper, you can insert it into the pocket. Curve the paper, push it in, and press it down. Now you finish this side of the paper. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Curve the paper, open the pocket, and push it in. Press it a little bit. Press it down a little bit more. Yes, adjust the head of the blade. Crease this down. Place this on the table. Flip it over. Now this is the hard step, so follow it carefully. At the very end of the paper, pull it up a little bit. Just hold it up like half an inch to create this stabilizer. But do not push it for now. Just make it like this. Adjust it a little bit so it will pop down. And now you can stop right here. One hand hold the stabilizers, the other hand will pop up the bottom part of the blade. This is where you're going to create the handle. It is very important that you do it slowly and adjust it step by step. You can pull it up a little bit to create a handle, but do not press both sides of the paper because you don't want to mess this up. Pull it up a little bit like this. Use the other pins to pop up the stabilizers. And now it's popped a little bit, so you just keep adjusting it from the bottom up slowly until you have a very good stabilizer. Once you have the stabilizers, you can hold the handle, fold the paper backward. Do it very slowly and then crease this down. Just crease the bottom part of the paper only, do not crease the other part. Alright, now it looks very ugly, but that is okay. Alright, so now you have the stabilizer. You fold the wings down a little bit, it's pop up and this looks very nice. But to ensure that the plane will fly, you need to create 2 more stabilizers, one on each of the wing. So at the end of each wing, just fold up. Adjust the paper a little bit, and when you open the paper, it looks very nice. This paper airplane has 3 stabilizers, 1 handle on the bottom, 1 stabilizers in the central, and there is no gap in between. And here you go. The Starship Destroyer is completed. If you like this paper airplane, don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.